First time using the shower tent. Got changed in my bathing suit. We got a beautiful spider that just landed on me. We got a beautiful little water spot. I'm gonna go chill in the water a little bit. Let's go on and get out. Got me a shower tent right here. We're gonna see how far it goes on the roof and see where I can put those brackets. Anyways, it's like the hottest time of the day, but I want to get it done, so I'm gonna do it. Got these mounts right here. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount it. I think these are gonna go somehow up here. I don't think they're supposed to go like that though. I think they're supposed to go this way. But that's how it's gonna go. Just like that. So let's go get the awning, or the, see, I told you, I say awning, shower room by Kickass. So let's go get that really fast. All right, so I got the bolts and everything that I need. They're down there on the floor. And I got my drill. And now I have to drill in the holes up here and over here. So let's get that drilled in.
It's a knot.
Yeah. Look what I did to my head, you guys. Oh, it's a knot on my head. Ow. We got it drilled. We need the bolts. We're gonna hop on up here. Oh, we need washers. Hold on. Got the bolts there. So we need a washer on each bolt on the top. Got a washer on that one. All right. Flood it with my teeth. There we go. All right, and this requires 2 hands, so. Whew. Got the mounting bolts now. We're almost done. We got those bolted on. And now we just have to mount the shower tent on. This is really cool. So you do this, right? You stick it in there and then it'll just down to the bottom. Stick it in there like that. Like that. And it's just gonna go down to the bottom. Boop. And now they're ready to go down at the bottom there, ready to mount onto the tracks. So let's get it up there. Here. Yeah. Thank you though. Hi guys. Ooh, check it out guys. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Not a one-handed job, but I got it up. So this makes it so that they don't go anywhere, which is actually pretty cool. So like, it's not gonna close. Could probably tighten a couple of these up, which is easy to do. See, tighten this up. All right, I think the zipper's down here. It is down here and it'll zip up. We're inside of it. Ah! Ah! I like this. This is pretty nice. I got little pockets to put stuff inside of it. It does have like a little zipper here. So like, let's say I had something in my FJ that I wanted to get to. Hi guys. You could be in here and you could be just like, oh, la la la, I'm taking a shower, I'm taking a shower. Or changing. No, don't look at me, I'm naked. Or pooping. Whatever you do in your shower tent, do it. Nice. This is why I love my life.
And that's where she'll go.